The Capitol building has been closed to the public since COVID-19 first arrived back in March. Now, lawmakers want to reopen it for the upcoming legislative session, but like a lot of things in the pandemic, it's going to be a little weird.
We're excited to be opening up the Capitol to the general public in January.
House and Senate Republican leaders announced plans to reopen the Capitol to the public. Bigger committee rooms have been built to allow for hearings on important bills.
They are positioned in a way to allow for social distancing.
But like they've been doing all year long, some lawmakers will be here in person and others appearing virtually.
We're recommending people be online, and we'll have the ability to have public input online, but we also recognize that people want to be here in person. So we've tried to increase the capacity to allow that to happen.
There's plans for extra sanitization. School field trips, lobbyist luncheons, and other events are canceled. Masks are mandated, and people will be on the Hill to ensure there's compliance.
If individuals refuse to wear a mask in the Capitol, the general public, we will have to ask them to leave.
Protests are a regular occurrence here, but things will be different.
If there is a protest, we can just follow those protocols where people stay safely apart and wear masks, and that's fine. That's part of the process, is letting people let their voice be heard, and we don't have any intention of shutting that down unless it becomes unsafe.
Here in the House chamber, they've added plexiglass barriers to help protect lawmakers. Public seating will be physically distant, and masks again are required. The public will be asked to communicate electronically with their elected leaders. Lawmakers are also planning to undergo rapid COVID tests several times a week.
We're relying on testing and on the good judgment of the senators to take care of themselves.
Speaker Wilson famously banned handshakes on the Capitol grounds earlier this year when the virus first arrived. It'll likely stay in place.
Maybe forever.
And we will, of course, be here on the Hill tracking the 2021 legislative session in person and online. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.